Okay guys, so here is a small trick what you can use in order to speed up your computer. No matter what Windows you are using, click here start menu, type here run, so click on it. Here in run menu you should type msconfig and click on OK. You will see such window, yeah. Here you need to go to section services, click on this hide all Microsoft services. And here you can untick programs what you are not using. For example, food stack not service. I'm not using it. I will untick it. Yeah. And you can also select untick other services what you are not using. Click on apply and click on OK. After that, restart your computer, and this option will help you to save memory, CPU, and your computer will run faster. Also, you can check what is loaded in startup menu, so you also can select or unselect here. Yes, guys, and here. So here you can restart. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check my other videos.